Hi guys, welcome to Data Analytics Foundry. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Python. Python is an programming language. Python is an high-level programming language and Python is an interpreter. Okay, what is programming language? Now we can discuss about this tutorial in English. We too can understand that same way computer can understand that language is known as programming language. For example, Java, C++, Python, these all are like a programming language. Then Python is an programming language. Let's discuss about interpreter. Discuss about what is compiler and interpreter. Okay, compiler. First, source code will pass to compiler, then machine code will generate, then output will come. Compiler is our source code. Don't have any error means it will pass to compiler, then generate a machine code. Okay. That's why it's called a low-level programming language. Machine only can understand. That's why they are generating machine code. For example, source code can be developed in a Linux platform and code can be run in a Mac or Windows. Because of that machine code only it's running. Then compiler will check the whole code, then run the program. Interpreter will run the code line by line, then execute. That compiler will check the whole program, then run. Okay, let's discuss about how does interpreter run in Python programming. Source code get into a interpreter, then compiler convert into a bytecode. That's same like a machine code. Then Python program virtual machine and take over that. Then output will come. Like Python virtual machine, by connecting a database or a library module, anything that Python virtual machine will take over. That's why Python program is called as a high-level programming language. Thanks for the Python programming. Follow the Python playlist, then data science related content. Follow our YouTube channel, Data Analytics Foundry. Thanks for watching. See you in next session. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe our channel for more interesting video. Thank you.